Minglama, welcome to Teaching Children Academics in Humanity. Dini Pepyame Sao Kliga, Nakausia, integrity Suraga, Kontamadi Shimu Biora, honest Pidane, Nenesene, or Yodamun Nenesene. Integrity by Matt Grave. Do you always try to do what is right? Go out, a man, dime, Magana Yadkumian and Lodella. If you say yes, then you have integrity. Go out that the Pia looked at day solution. Go out Kontamari she ludia pitebono. I try to do at least one good deed a day. Genoaro, the dama, Gaunea the cool made and lowly she did. Are you honest even when no one is looking? Go Buama Jimmy and Amabe, Yodamushi de la. If you find something that doesn't belong to you, try to find the owners. That shows integrity. Go, do Mamma Ginny, go ne, go put Osaba Hodama Gidically, the anima, Passang Yabono. Go be seen Hodeosa, or the Kua, go see your life solution, ye. By show shabono, at Daba Opiatale, so go, Yodare, go to Marishida Opiatale. If you say yes, then you have integrity. Go up here, yeah, by show like shabby the solution, that go out to Marishide, look your day. Acting with integrity is not easy. Go to Marishi, she was rather no. Making fun of people is not acting with integrity. Chaluduli, Lambiana, Rodeora, Ludesulata, go to Marishi, and looked at Loma Hopuano. Sometimes you have to be nice, even when you do not want to. Kalijalo Shenle, not to meow Gangamo Sasaya Murishida, Guacamo was a Sassan and Mabe, Gangamo was a Sasaya Camurile Shidabo. Sometimes you have to say you are sorry, even when you do not want to. Kalijalo Shen. Sorry ba, one day by it, I'm a maribono. I'm a biojimele, biore camurile, shidabo. I try to be a good friend to everyone. Lurain the dogua, gown makes we go to people, choose about it. I giant Lunari go no money, they come you man, go up, Macas, or Lusawosra. Yanovalo, Kakere Yabono, out the middle. You have integrity if you keep your promises. No integrity, Kontimari Shire, Suraga, Goa Kupiore Grio, that when you did that, Griti de Surabono, Griti de solution, da, Kontimari Shire, Lupioluyare. You have integrity if you respect the feelings of others. Chalure Kazadeo, Lisa Pide, solution, da, Goa Kontimari Shire, Lupioluyare. Taking good care of others shows you have integrity. Chalureo, Guni Bede, Safsha Bede, Sure Osalebe, da, Guaco Tamari Shide, Sura Piata, Pono, Dima, Tika Mali, a China Kaline, no? Arrow to Mia Kazaja de Ugua, Lisa Tabushide, no? Lambia Mubulu, Daria, Gua Contomari Shide, Sura Piatani, the Yari Pitipono. Alright, integrity test PGBA. Oh, yes or no payment. I always try to do what is right. Me, Mancane, so they you looked at day, yes or no. I am honest. You thought yes or no. I keep my promises. So go beyond yao. That way you move down with the mushide, yes or no. I am a friend to others. Yes or no. I respect the feelings of others. Yes or no? If you say yes to all five, yes, then you have integrity. That's it. Out the middle. Okay, that's it. This is clear counseling integrity. Go to Mari Shiro, the Bayare, Mimalu, out the middle, the chatty tema of your daughter, go to Mari Shire Surau, Pelu Usare, go up by lowly Shile Surau, comment ye dollar yabare. Okay, so now video leads up to me. Bye.